Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You begin by confirming prerequisites and enabling the feature. You must have at least 20% battery and an internet connection. Open Settings and go to Accessibility, then Voice Control. Tap to turn voice control on and allow any downloads. This installs local speech models. Once the models finish, make sure to set language and dialect so recognition matches your speech. If a prompt appears to enable personal requests, decide now. This affects home and messages voice actions. Now you refine recognition and commands. You should review default commands and add or edit custom phrases that map to actions because exact phrasing matters. Next, check microphone input. Switch between iPhone mic and a headset to compare accuracy and adjust placement to reduce noise. Once done, use the command training and speak example phrases. This helps voice control learn your pronunciation. Make sure to compare results with similar commands to avoid conflicts and tidy duplicate entries. Finish by validating everyday tasks. Open apps, scroll, dictate messages, and correct text with voice. You will catch edge cases during this test, so make changes to command wording or disable conflicting controls. If recognition still misbehaves, reset voice control settings or delete specific custom commands to start fresh. As a key troubleshooting tip, restart your iPhone and install any pending iOS updates. Software patches often fix recognition bugs.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.